Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotic rice kanji. First, let's gather our basic ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of white rice, preferably an aged variety, and 4 cups of filtered water. A clean, non-reactive pot is essential for this process. We're aiming for a simple, effective fermentation, so ingredient quality matters. This initial step sets the foundation for a delicious and gut-friendly kanji. Now, let's cook the rice. Begin by rinsing your 1 cup of white rice under cold water until the water runs completely clear. This removes excess starch. Next, combine the rinsed rice with 4 cups of filtered water in your pot. Bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the rice is very soft and the mixture is thick. Once your kanji is cooked, it's time for the magic of fermentation. Allow the cooked rice mixture to cool completely to room temperature, ideally around 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of a live starter culture, such as a bit of plain yogurt or a probiotic capsule's contents. Cover the pot loosely with a cloth to allow air circulation and let it ferment for 12 to 24 hours. Taste periodically to achieve your desired tanginess. After fermentation, your probiotic rice kanji is ready to enjoy. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will keep well for up to 5 days. You can reheat it gently on the stovetop or in the microwave. Serve it warm with a pinch of salt, a drizzle of ghee, or your favorite savory toppings like pickles or a fried egg. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your healthy, homemade kanji.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.